Hello children, it, it is the continuation of the page number 4. A reading lesson The Snake and the Mirror. Part 3. I got up, lit means light a beedi and paced up and down in the room. Beedi a type of cheap cigarette made of unprocessed tobacco wrapped in a leaf, that is called beedi. Then another lovely thought struck means came me. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty means more of money and a good medical practice. She had to be fat for a valid reason. If I made some silly mistakes and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. Now I told, when he was looking at the mirror and taking one more decision about his appearance, then again sound came from above, but he ignored. Now he got up and lighted a beedi and roaming up and down in the room. Then another lovely thought came into his mind. What thought was that? He would marry, and he would marry like this woman doctor who had lot of money, a rich lady and a good medical practice. Me, she would earn good money, that like this girl she would marry. That thought came in his mind. She had to be fat for valid reason. If I means, and what he was thinking that time, I would marry a fat woman. Why? Reason was there, because he was telling, I would do any silly mistake and she would not able to catch me, run after me. That's why he wanted to marry a fat girl. Okay, because it is a funny story. That is why humor. This unit name is humor only. Now next. With such thought in my mind, I resume. Resume is again taken my seat in the chair in front of the table. There were no more sound from above. Suddenly there came a dull thud. As a thud sound is like this sound, like a heavy object falls. Sound is coming, that sound is telling thud sound. If rubber tube fallen to the ground, surely nothing to worry. Even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. When he was busy in thinking all these things, and after that his mind was there only thought, and he again sat in the, because before he was roaming in the room, and after this he again taken his chair in front of table, and there again he listened sound. Suddenly like this sound came, some like a rubber tube fall from the ground, fell from up from in a ground. Sure, and he thought, nothing to worry, that's only some like this things is there. And because he was busy in thinking, so he turned to see, because their light was not there, room was not Only one lamp was lighting there to take a look कि what was fall from up. No sooner I had turned than a fat snake wriggled. Wriggled means move, twist and turning over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. Now he is telling as soon as he turned, same time a snake came into his chair and landed means sat on his shoulder. The snake landed on me. My turning was simultaneous. And he was not able to turn means simultaneously means that at the same time other it maybe means two events happening at same time, that only telling this. Now next, I did not jump, I didn't tremble means shake, I didn't cry out. There was no time to do any such thing. Now narrator means homeopath doctor was telling, I didn't jump, I didn't shake, I didn't cry, because that time was not to do all these activities. The snake slithered means moved along my shoulder and coiled around my left arm above the elbow. Coil means wind into a series of circle, round, coiled in the arm. Up now, so snake moved along the shoulder and coiled his left elbow up to hand. Hood was spread out. Its head was hardly 3-4 inches from my face. Now that hood, snake hood, was spread only this near the head above of the head only 4-5 inch only, 3-4 inch only up there. It would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath, because snake was sitting in his shoulder and coiled in the arm. That is why he was not able to breathe also, because snake does not have ears, but he can feel the movement. I was turned stone. He was sitting like a stone, like a statue, but mind was active. He was telling mind was active because he was thinking. The door opened into the darkness, because that time he turned backside to see what had fallen. That and door opened into the darkness, because only one kerosene lamp was lighting in the room. The room was surrounded by darkness. In the light of the lamp, I sat like a stone image in a flash. Like a normal person is there, but he was a normal person, but he was set like a stone without any movement. Why? Because if he would move, the snake would strike him.